Assalamualaikum, good day everyone, welcome back to LH22 channel guys. Alright, so for this passionate segment, we are going back to talk about sneakers. And of course, it is an iconic sneakers. So last week, I bought this new Vans sneakers, which is here. I have it here with me, alright. So yeah, first, before we proceed, let's talk about the history of Vans. Alright, so basically the history of Vans started when there are two brothers, which is the first one is a Paul Van Doren and also a Jim Van Doren, which is founded these Vans in the Southern California in 1966. So from here, their focus actually, their primary objective focus in producing the sneakers actually is for the skateboarders. But right now I want to focus more on what I have bought last week, alright, which is an old school Vans sneakers. And also actually for this old school Vans sneakers, which is it is a classic, alright. So actually it was making its debuts back in 1977, alright, which is that time it was famous with Vans Sub Strikes. And then because and also they started to producing these sneakers after their first success for their iconic Vans sneaker, which is Vans Deck, right? Which is, yeah, right now you can see the Vans Deck actually is the first sneakers ever they producing, right? So alright, that's all for the history of the Vans Old Skool. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed with the unboxing for this Vans Old Skool shoes. Right, let's go. So alright guys, this is the Vans box which is we'll be unboxing right now. So actually, how to say yeah, just let unboxing first, then I will explain to you guys. So actually this is the shoes, right? This is the left side, also this is the right side. Okay, but yeah, I will just take one in hand first. Right, there's nothing much actually in the box, so yeah, I would like to more focus on this one first. Alright, so actually when you guys see here, right, this is the Vans Old Skool. Actually they have a lot of version of this Old Skool, right, which they want to make it more comfortable and more durable. But then I would like to go for first, I would like to go to more a classic Old Skool Vans, alright, which is the first version. So here I have this Vans Old Skool, alright. Actually I want to buy it black and white, but then the black and white it was out of stock, so they have this only like a mint green, I think, alright. But I think it's okay, it's enough for me. And this is my Vans first shoes, alright. So yeah, I really excited by it. So yeah. Alright, first let's go through the details here. Right, so actually this is actually a canvas. So you can see, actually this is a canvas shoes. Okay, so you can see the main materials for these shoes is actually a canvas. Okay, canvas, and you can see here this is the leather sidelines patches. Okay, this white leather patches, and also inside also they have a leather inside, right? This is what they miss by, they want to make it more durable by putting this leather panels or patches to make it for more durability. Okay, so I have tested these shoes, right? I think it is comfortable to wear it, especially if you want to play your your skateboards. And also you can also like, it is comfortable to do like lots of activity, you know, such as running. But then I think for me this is more to like you want to wear it for like to go out for, you know, hang out with your friends. And also I think if you want to use it for the skateboards also is okay. Okay, so I think it is a very affordable shoes. To buy a sneaker, I think actually this can be your starter. Okay, this can be your first sneakers to buy this. It is affordable price, not too pricey. So yeah, I think that's all that I want to talk about this Vans Old Skool sneakers, right? So yeah, actually it's very comfortable and it is very affordable shoes to buy. So I really recommend you guys to buy this one of the iconic Vans Old Skool sneakers. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys will grab it, and I think that's all for me about this reviewing the old school Vans sneakers, right? So that's for me. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AH YouTube channel, guys. Okay, and you'll be expecting more videos from me, because before this I've edited a lot of videos, but then I'm not able to upload it to YouTube, okay, due to time constraining. And also, like, after this I will try my best to keep up you guys with new updates from the AH YouTube channel, and also new videos. And yeah, that's all for me. And also after this also there will be a new sneakers videos review. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned, and I will see you later.
Everybody had the old school Vans with the stripe on. If it wasn't Vans, they were